There's one YouTube video that our real estate agents are using to take over their local real estate market. This video gets tons of views, packs quite a punch when we're talking about SEO, and gets buyers and sellers alike. And what's even crazier is that the viewers that reach out to our agents from that one YouTube video are ready to transact right then and there. In other words, these are leads that close. Now, the video that I'm talking about is what I call the best city realtor. Now, of course, the word city is a placeholder that gets replaced with the city that you work. Whether that be Dallas, whether that be Orlando, whether that be Sacramento, whether that be Seattle, it works in every single market. This one video hits all the right notes. It's incredibly easy to make. It gets found on both Google and YouTube alike and speaks to those buyers and sellers that are ready to go right now. Now, the best way that I can explain this is by sharing what happens in real life. Let's just say you're an agent and your cousin from Oklahoma City calls you and says, "Hey, I have a friend here in Oklahoma City that wants to sell their house. Do you know anybody?" Well, you as a real estate agent should already be pre-programmed to say, absolutely. And that's regardless if you presently know anybody in OKC, because you know that this is a potential referral for you. So you as a great agent immediately go to work. You immediately start looking for a quality real estate agent in OKC. You go to your brokerage, assuming you're in a larger brokerage that has a presence there. Then you're gonna go to the Facebook groups that only focuses on referrals. And maybe if you're not finding enough luck there, you're probably going to go to Zillow and look for agents that have had success in Oklahoma City. But here's the thing, 99.99% of the time, you are going to find a real estate agent. But that's you as a real estate professional. You're the one that's doing the work, and you're the one that has a network that you can tap into. Now, let's just say, here's where we get into the example, that cousin didn't know that you're a real estate agent. This is what happens if somebody thinks enough about you to reach out to you to ask you for your opinion. Oftentimes what happens is that the person that has the need, whether it's to buy or to sell, they don't reach out to a coworker, and that coworker doesn't reach out to their cousin. They go straight to Google. That individual is going to go straight to Google and type in best real estate agent in Oklahoma City. Now, if you're an agent in Oklahoma City, you really hope and pray that you show up. So either you need to be running Google ads to show up at the very top, which can get expensive, or your business profile shows up on Google Maps, which there the downside is that you're competing against all these other companies that have 500, 800, 1,000 5-star reviews. Or your website shows up in the organic searches, which even if you are able to rank on the first page of Google, it's going to take years and years to do so. And you're also going to be competing against the Realtor.coms of the world, the Zillow.coms of the world. There's a lot of competition. But here's the point that I'm trying to get to. YouTube will show up. Google owns YouTube. You know that by now. And what you're gonna find is that whatever you search on Google is gonna pull in results from YouTube. And right now, every single market on YouTube is underserved with this type of video. All you have to do is create this one YouTube video that you title, "How to Find the Best Oklahoma City Real Estate Agent." By you creating this one video, you're getting in front of buyers and sellers that are ready, willing, and able to work with you today.